And they said that this shepherd girl, yeah you, good girl, said that she was 3. I'm thinking more like 2. She could be 3, but her teeth are really good. She moves well. Doesn't look like she has any problems with her bones. Oh, now Redwood, leave the puppy alone. Thank you. And she's getting along with everybody. She's alright. They said that she was not good with other dogs because she had a wound. And they treated the wound, and she was at that shelter for a long time. So they do keep some dogs for a while. They kept her and fixed her wound because I can't find it. And she's doing great with the other dogs. She does have a little bit of a prey drive with some of the smaller dogs. She gets a little excited. I'm imagining that might get need some correction in the next couple of days.